Hey guys, this is Dr. Q. The topic I wanted to discuss was regarding the controversy around Essence's recombinant PDGF product. Last summer, I saw a bunch of marketing videos about the product. What they have promised to do is they've essentially promised to take a growth factor called platelet-derived growth factor. It's part of the healing cascade from injury. They've made a recombinant form of it. It's not a new concept. It was first developed in the 90s, and it was FDA approved at that time for diabetic ulcerations in patients who had microvascular disease. But this company had this novel idea. They came out with this product, PDGF. It was like a mix between hyaluronic acid, which is your filler, mixed with the recombinant PDGF. So the theory was you will recover faster and better from all kind of topical procedures like laser therapy, CO2, RF microneedling. I also began to see marketing from various other third-party injectors in particular. Hey, we're injecting it subcutaneously as well. They promised that they could inject PDGF HA mix, in the under eye, have beautiful results in the under eye. They could inject it sub-Q, which was interesting because officially they didn't have the permission to market that. They were only approved for topical cosmetic use. I asked, well, just educate me. Why is your product better than something like PRF? We know about what PRF is. It's not new. I personally have seen great results with it. Why do you say your product is better? What evidence do you have? Then she tried showing us before and afters, but at the same time, I asked the question, how do you know these great before and afters are not because of the hyaluronic acid you already have in the product? How do we know your PDGF is doing anything? My problem with this debate is the science has taken the back seat and the marketing fluff has taken the front seat. They're using an FDA indication for something totally different, which is diabetic wound healing in lower extremities, as the reason why their product is definitely the best for recovery from a facial laser. A face is not a leg, and a diabetic leg is very different from a diabetic or non-diabetic face. The face is more delicate and has significant vasculature. And if they want to make the claim, then I support it. Get a few $1 million, do a trial, and prove it. The bottom takeaway message is, whatever you're going to do with your face or your body, make sure you talk to an expert. Disagreements are healthy in science. They're healthy. But what's not healthy is this lawsuit. They're trying to cyberbully and silence this physician from bringing up legitimate medical concerns about their product. I support Dr. Doan 100%. We support her at Noor Aesthetic and Wellness Center, and we will talk more about it later.